आज हम बात करेंगे विपासना ध्यान के बारे में। तो विपासना का मैं अपना अनुभव आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी, और जो लोग वहाँ पे जाना चाहते हैं, करना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए एक बहुत बेहतरीन चीज़ है। सो विपासना ध्यान बुद्धिज्म से आया है। अ, नमस्ते दोस्तों। मैं ज्योति, और मैं आज आपके साथ अपना विपासना का अनुभव शेयर करूंगी। तो विपासना ध्यान बुद्धिज्म से आया है। बुद्धिज्म ने हमें 16 तरह के ध्यान दिए हैं। जैसे वॉकिंग मेडिटेशन है, आनापानसति ध्यान है, उसी तरह से ये विपासना ध्यान है। विपासना ध्यान करीब 2500 साल, फॉर 2005 ईयर 500 years it was kind of lost, and only in the Burma with one of the teacher it was protected and taken care. And Mr. Goenka has brought this back into the tradition. सो विपासना ध्यान आपको करीब 3 महीने पहले विपासना की वेबसाइट पे जाके या धम्मापदा की वेबसाइट पे जाके बुक करना पड़ेगा। और आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आपको वो स्लॉट मिल जाए। ठीक है। उसके लिए थोड़ी सी तैयारी ये कर लेनी चाहिए कि आप डायरेक्ट कभी भी विपासना के लिए एनरोल मत कीजिए। मेरा अपना सजेशन है कि पहले छोटे छोटे 1-2 दिन के ध्यान, उनसे आप शुरू कीजिए। ध्यान की कोई भी चीज़ हमें सिस्टमेटिकली करनी चाहिए। वी शुड डू एनीथिंग सिस्टमेटिकली, वी शुड नॉट ट्राई डायरेक्टली ट्राई टू जंप ऑन एनीथिंग बिग। So try to attempt 1 or 2 days courses nearby you. Stay there and do. Vipassana is a very high and little advanced meditation. Don't try to attempt it directly. Those who have not done meditation before, it is will be little difficult, but it is a very, 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 very beautiful meditation technique worth doing. Everybody should experience Vipassana in their lifetime. That's my strong, strong recommendation. बट थोड़ी सी तैयारी कर लीजिए आपकी सिटी में, आपके आसपास, अपने दोस्तों के साथ। गो एंड नॉट योर होम प्रैक्टिस, यू लिव इन सम meditation retreat where there is a schedule from morning to evening, and in a year at least 2-3 retreats or at least 2-3 courses this type you should attend, and then only slowly prepare your body and mind for the vipassana kind of dhyan. When you go for Vipassana, first thing they will do, take your mobile. No mobile, no laptop, no reading, no writing, no diary. The benefit is you disconnect completely from the outside world. So you are completely connected with yourself. Completely connected with yourself. When you go there, even your seats for sitting, where you are going to sit and do meditation, is decided. Where you are going to sleep, that number is being decided. Where you are going to sit and eat, that table and chair is also decided. Even the area is being controlled by the organizers. You cannot walk outside that area. आपको हर जगह से सीमित कर दिया जाता है। यू कैन नॉट वॉक आउटसाइड, यू हैव टू वॉक विद इन द लिमिटेड एरिया। यू कैन नॉट गो टू मार्केट, यू कैन नॉट ईट वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट। योर डाइट ऑल्सो इज बीन ब्यूटिफुली कंट्रोल्ड बाय देम। मॉर्निंग between 6:30 to 7:30 will be your breakfast. Afternoon between 11:30 to 12:30 will be your breakfast, sorry, your lunch. And in the evening 5:30 to 6:30 they'll give you some minute snacks with the milk or a cup of tea or ragi ganji, something small with puffed rice. And that's all. After that, in the night, nothing. And I think nobody should try to cheat also. Some people do that. They keep some snacks, they munch in the night. Because you don't actually need 10 hours, you're solid sitting in the whole day. You're not on your profession, you're not doing a job. So when you're sitting, actually, you don't need to eat so much. So that's one of the most beautiful and organized thing I found in Vipassana, that everything is being decided. When you're sitting for lunch and dinner or breakfast, you are not even seeing your fellow mates. They ask you to sit reverse to each other, back, or you should be, you should not face each other. Your back is facing others' back. So no eye contact, absolutely. You need something on the lunch or the dinner or the breakfast time, write in a piece of paper, give it to the organizers, and they'll arrange it for you. And that's so beautiful. That's even they don't talk. Till morning, they in my Vipassana course, the people, the volunteers used to come with a tiny bell, puja bell, and 4 o'clock in the morning, and they'll keep on ringing without any touch, without anything, till you ring, till you get up and leave your bed. By 4:30, go and sit in the hall, the place where what they have organized for your meditation. Your seat is fixed. Don't try to change. They don't like it until unless it's an emergency. They may provide you a chair if you can't sit on the floor or you can't sit. And that's beautiful type of self-control. We need to do that. So that is one thing. Second thing, don't get scared. But we do. It is not easy. Going peeping within our own self is something tough. So first 3 days are a little scary. If you have crossed those first 3 days, then spending next 7 days are easy because there is so much of silence that it is not easy. That so many thoughts, old memories come and bombard you. And that's how आपके शरीर की और मन की सफाई होती जाती है। जो चीज़ें आप सोच भी नहीं सकते, वो आपके अंतर मन से हिल के बाहर आने लगती हैं। What you can't even think, what you can't even imagine, those memories, you would not have even realized that those hurts are living within you. They might come, hurt you, but then in the process, they get out of your system and you start feeling lighter and lighter and lighter. इस ध्यान का पूरा फायदा उठाने के लिए अपने गुरुओं के और अपने वॉलंटियर्स के पूरे पूरे इंस्ट्रक्शंस को मानने की कोशिश कीजिए। इट इज़ फॉर योर बेस्ट। इफ़ यू ट्राई टू अवॉइड और इग्नोर, आप किन्हीं चीज़ों को ओवरलुक करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो हमारा ये ध्यान का जो इफेक्ट है वो कम हो जाएगा। इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल मेडिटेशन। प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई टू गो अटेम्प्ट इट, experience it. It does your emotional, physical, mental cleaning at a very deeper level. At least you will find 30 to 40% cleaner, lighter, happier, and joyful what you are today. Thank you. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।